Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix FaceTime and iMessage not working after iOS 17 update. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. Here are some simple fix for that. First of all, you have to open settings app, and first of all you have to make sure that you are properly connected with internet. If you are using wi-fi, tap on wi-fi and make sure that you have strong enough connection with wi-fi. If you don't have, turn off your wi-fi, turn it on again. And if it's still not working for you, forget the network and try to rejoin it. And if you're using mobile data, just simply you have to turn on aeroplane mode at least for the 60 second and then turn it off. And after that, hopefully your problem will be fixed. And once you here, guys, you have to open channel. From here you have to tap on iPhone storage. You have to wait some seconds. Now locate for these apps. So from here you have to offload the FaceTime or iMessage and then reinstall it. And after that, hopefully your problem will be fixed. And once it's there, guys, then what you need to do is just simply have to open settings again. Now scroll it down, tap on general, scroll it down all the way. From here, you have to make sure that you're not connected with VPN. If you're connected with VPN, just simply you have to disconnect it. And after that, you have to open settings again. Then scroll it down, tap on general, scroll it down all the way, tap on transfer, reset iPhone. So from here you have to reset your all network setting, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And once it is there, guys, then what you need to do is just simply have to open settings again. Now from here, guys, you have to tap on general and make sure that your date and time also correct. So you have to turn the toggles on for these, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And once it is there, guys, then what you need to do, guys, just simply you have to open settings. Now from here, guys, you have to scroll it down, tap on channel, make sure that you don't have any pending update here. If you have, just simply you have to update. And after that, guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open settings, and after that you have to tap on general again. Now from here, guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to scroll it down and you have to reset all settings. And after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And once it's there, guys, then what you need to do, guys, just simply you have to force restart your device, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.